Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wondering what oils should you have in your home to manifest anything, what are the best oils that everyone should have, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to show you 5 anointing oils, intention oils, that you should have to basically anoint anything for any purpose. So watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I'm always throwing in extra tips to help you with your manifestations. But before we get started, this is a manifesting law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives you easy to understand information so that you guys can get real results. So support this channel if you want more videos like this by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, let's get to it. I'm back, everyone. Now, I know I get a lot of people that write me and they're saying, Yvette, what is it that I put on my candle? What is it that I put on my crystals? What is it that I put on myself to attract or manifest love, health, money, career change? What is it that I should be having in my home? Now, if you guys know me, I have so many oils that I keep around in my home for any type of purpose. But today I'm going to talk to you about 5 oils that I believe everyone should have. And I'm going to throw in an extra bonus or 2. Now, the first thing I want to let you know is the type of oils that you really should have. Now, there are regular oils. There's essential oils. Take your pick, whatever one you choose to use. But I want you to have a purpose oil for things that can actually happen in your life. And you might need it to anoint yourself or to anoint your crystals or to anoint a candle or whatever else you're doing. Now, the categories that I feel that you should have in your home are 1 for money or abundance, 1 for love, 1 for protection, 1 for health, and 1 for success. Now, listen, you're probably saying, well, Yvette, whoa! Well, I'm going to tell you exactly what you should have in your home. And again, we're going to use these oils on anything you want to anoint. And it supercharges your manifesting powers. And it helps you focus and tune in to whatever it is that you're going to try to attract or manifest. Now, the first oil that I tell people about, and this is powerful, you guys, and it is High John, okay? John the Conqueror. This is one powerful oil that I think anyone that is trying to manifest anything or live and have a peaceful life should have. John the Conqueror is an oil that you would use when you feel like there's barriers in front of you or any type of challenge. You can use High John the Conqueror or John the Conqueror for basically anything you're coming up against. Buying a new home, getting a promotion at your job. You can use it for protection. You can use High John for anything. Anytime you feel like there's a barrier or an attack on you, this is one of the oils that I feel everyone should have in their home. Now, the second oil that I'm going to tell you for myself that I think everyone should have in their home is Open the Road. Let me turn it around. Open the Road. Now, Open the Road is a oil or a item that basically opens the road for whatever it is you're trying to do. If you're trying to get that house, if you're trying to get that promotion, if you're trying to start a new life and move in a new direction, Open the Road is the oil that I think everyone should have. So I will tell you, Open the Road and High John are 2 of the oils that basically do similar things. So if you have one or the other, it doesn't matter. But I choose to have both. So now the third oil that I would tell you to have in your home for anything that you're trying to manifest, especially when it comes to money, that would be money drawing oil. So no matter whatever it is you're trying to do, I believe everyone should have either a money drawing oil, a prosperity oil, that's this one, and anything concerning attracting abundance in your life. Again, this could be for money, it could be for prosperity, whatever it is. This is an oil I think you really need to have in your home. Now, the next oil that I would say everyone need in their home, and that would be some type of healing oil. Now, this oil is by Lelokins Awens, which you guys know I use a lot of their products. And this is one that I believe, no matter if you're saying to yourself, well, Yvette, I'm fine. This is something that I will say that you need. And listen, healing comes in all different ways. It could be emotional, physical, mental. It does not matter. Spiritual. You will sooner or later need some type of healing oil with whatever it is that you're going through. So now, the fourth oil that I would speak about that I think that everyone would need is some type of protection oil. Now, the best oil for me for protection would be Michael. Archangel Michael is a protector of every single thing. And this oil is also known to help you with your life purpose. Okay? So now with this oil, I would say that I would use this, or I would use High John, Open the Road, but these all have similar things. But when you're talking about protection, it would be either Archangel Michael, High John, or Open the Road. Okay? So these are little examples that I'm giving you because once you have these oils in your home, you don't need anything else. Whatever I'm talking about, you can substitute that for these. Now, the last oil that I want to talk about is Archangel Raphael. It is a love oil. Now, listen, you don't have to get this particular oil, but you can get a love oil. So what I'm telling you to have in your home is a oil for love, a oil for healing, a oil for protection, a oil for prosperity or attracting money. And you can use these oils on whatever it is that you're using. Now, there is an oil that I will say everyone must have. And this is a bonus for those that are still watching. And that is holy oil. Holy oil you can use for anything. Anointing yourself, anointing your candles. In fact, when I'm anointing a candle or a crystal, I always put a drop of holy oil before I use any of these other oils, okay? Why? It's because it's the extra boost. And I feel like when I'm speaking about holy oil, I'm speaking on the universe, okay? And I need that extra power behind anything that I'm doing. So whatever it is that I'm anointing, most likely 90% of the time, I always add a little bit of holy oil. Now, here is a bonus for all those out there that are still watching. And don't forget, you guys, to like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you're new to this channel, okay? For more videos like this. Now, when it comes down to oils, you're probably saying, well, Yvette, what am I going to do with these oils? You can anoint yourself. You can anoint the candles. Now, listen, orange for success. You might want to add on Open the Road. Okay, now listen, the colors, they all go along with one another. Okay, success. Okay, Open the Road. Okay, we have protection here. This is a Lelokins Awens protection candle. What would I put on here? I would put a little holy oil on here, and then I might use High John, or I might use Archangel Michael, and I might roll this on my candle. If you're trying to do healing, again, here's healing. You will use a healing oil, and that would be Archangel Raphael, okay? Or some other type of healing oil. Or you can absolutely use Open the Road on healing, opening the road to whatever it is that's going on in your life. When we're talking about love, absolutely, it would be Archangel Raphael, again, representing health, representing love. Archangel Raphael represents both healing and love, okay? So you can absolutely use that same oil on love and healing. These are the little things that I'm telling you guys. Once you get used to it, you will absolutely know what you can use on certain candles. Again, we have here legal matters. What oil would you use on a candle for a court case or any type of case, that litigation that you're going through? I would place on here Archangel Michael for protection, okay? Or I will put on here High John, okay, for protection, to conquer whatever it is that I'm going against, okay? There's even court oil that you can use on a court candle or legal candle. The other one is Better Business. Now, if you're going through and having a business deal, or you're trying to get a salary increase or a raise, what oil would you use on a business success candle? You would use Open the Road, okay? You would use or High John, or you can use Archangel Michael. Any of these things to help with your success. You can use a prosperity oil on your Better Business, or a money attracting oil on your business. So once you have these basic oils, you can use it in many different ways. And that's why I wanted to bring this video out there to all of those that want to know a little more about oil. Some people prefer to make their oils, but you have to set the intention in the oil to program the oil for what it is you want it to do. Here, the oil's already programmed to do whatever it needs to be done. Again, you can place it on your crystals, just a drop, and you rub your hands together, and then you place it on your crystals. You might want to place it on yourself, on your forehead, for blessings for the day, on your candles, in your house, on your doorknobs, whatever it is you want to use your oils for. These are the basics that will help you and open the door. So now listen, you guys, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And again, I'm always giving you guys information to change your life. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more videos like this. Again, I give you information to learn very easy and see changes in your life. Again, if you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, or if you want any of these products, please look in the description, go to the website. Everything is there and more. Namaste.